picture your morning commute. There's cars everywhere, you're stuck in traffic, again, so you've taken a deep breath. And all you can smell is that old truck in front of you. The air you're breathing in isn't just bringing oxygen into your lungs, it's also bringing in those car fumes and everything else in the air around you. And whether you're sitting in traffic, or you live, or work, or go to school near a roadway, millions of us are breathing in traffic-related air pollution, or TRAP. TRAP refers to different air pollutants that come with being near roadways, coming from road dust or car emissions. And as you can imagine, breathing in this pollution can cause harm across the body and increase risk for disease. One of these diseases is Alzheimer's disease, which affects the brain to cause memory loss in 7 million Americans alone. And unfortunately, Alzheimer's is a disease that we don't fully understand yet and we don't really have a cure for. We know that breathing in TRAP increases your risk for Alzheimer's, but we don't know how. How is it that breathing in pollution somehow affects your brain and causes memory loss? What we do know is that TRAP is critically linked to inflammation. Inflammation is your body's immune system responding to something foreign in the body, like air pollution, or to injury or disease. You can picture it as the redness and the swelling that you get in your thumb when you have a cut or a splinter, for example. And in the short term, inflammation is a crucial way for your body's immune system to protect the body. But long-term sustained inflammation, which is what we see with TRAP exposure, can overwhelm cells. And this increase in inflammation in the brain is a key driver of Alzheimer's disease. So since we know that breathing in TRAP increases inflammation in the lungs, and inflammation in the brain increases Alzheimer's, we can link together the lungs and the brain and air pollution and Alzheimer's through inflammation. And that's exactly what I'm doing in my research. I'm proposing a model in which breathing in TRAP, these foreign particles, increases molecules that signal inflammation in the lungs. These can then spread throughout the body and reaching the brain, increase inflammation there to promote Alzheimer's disease. And how am I testing this model? Well, I'm using rats that are exposed to air pollution. And these rats already show increased markers of Alzheimer's disease, again, underscoring the relationship between the two. I'm then giving them a drug that stops these molecules that signal inflammation to see whether by decreasing inflammation, we can decrease Alzheimer's markers with air pollution exposure. By looking at the role that inflammation plays in Alzheimer's, we can better understand different ways to potentially treat the disease. And by understanding how TRAP drives Alzheimer's, we can better understand the mechanisms through which air pollution affects our bodies, meaning we can help guide regulation to prevent exposure to TRAP, or come up with preventative treatments for those of us who are already breathing in TRAP on a daily basis to reduce our risk for getting Alzheimer's in the future. So the next time you're stuck on the freeway, take in a deep breath, but remember, your brain health is being shaped by every breath you take. Thank you.